Hey there, it's Chuck. Just wanted to do a quick video on the stealth canopy and TPU parts that I have on the Thingiverse website. And so this is the Stealth 4, and what you get on the Thingiverse page is a collection of parts. And let me just kind of go through them. So the first part here, this is, I've misspelled this, Stealth 04 MK2B. So the B, this is just the rotating part of the canopy. So basically, this is attached using some M3 screws, and basically it screws from the outside to and through the standoff on the frame. This is a big stick sticking out here with a hole on the end of it. Goes through that hole, and it threads into the inside of the this part right here, the Stealth 04 MK2B. And so let's go on to the next part. This is MK2A, which is the body, which is just has the has the little arms that stick out that I didn't screw in the other side, but basically it's just the body part. So that's pretty self-explanatory. So what I want to show is the inside here. What you have is inside the front, there is a hex sort of insert. You just stick a bolt in there, or I mean, sorry, a hex bolt in there. And what it does is when you screw through the frame, it screws into the hex, the bolt. I keep on saying bolt, sorry, the nut. You put a 3mm nut inside here, and then that's how it stays on the front there. On the back, you use two standoffs and screw in from the top here. So the two M3 screws going through the top. So those are the four attachments to the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the back two have standoffs. Then up inside the frame is where the air unit goes. So the air unit mounts on this shelf right here. So you'll have to get some M2 screws or M3 screws. I'm not sure what it takes. There's two sets of holes here in a square pattern. You can see they're a little bit offset from each other. So that's the main part of the body. And then, so let's go on to what's next here. This is the optional body. This has the remote ID bay on it. So I'll just show you this on this body right here. So this body has a hole in the middle of it that you stick a remote ID module, and this is for a Ruco module here. Next part is the cage that the remote ID goes into. So basically it's just a little thing that you slide your remote ID into. So basically it's optional whether you use the remote ID version of the body or the regular. So this is the regular right here. You can see inside here where it has the shelf for the air unit, and 1, 2, 3, 4 attachments for the body. And let's go on to this funny little part right here. This is for the antennas. So what you need to do is basically reverse this part to print it for the other side. Not sure what side this is, but basically this part was what holds the antenna, and it goes in the hole on the side of the body. And here's what it looks like once you have the antenna in. So the antenna kind of sticks in here. It's not a super great thing. I kind of hot glued it so the antenna doesn't slide out or whatever. All right, so that's the antenna holder. And then we have feet for the drone. So again, you'll have to reverse this to print it for the opposite side, but you want to print 4 of these and 2 are the opposite. And basically these can be printed hollow. I have a video on how to print that. Take a look on my, I think I have a short on this on my Mile High 3D site. And these just slide over the ends of the arms like that. So you got to have 4 of them, and there's tall ones that clear a battery. So I have, this is the mid-size one right here. And then the next one is the longer one. Let's see. It's not coming up. Why is it not coming up? Mid. Well, you can see one of these is longer. This is a short one, and this is a long one. I don't know what the names are here. Here's another cage for your remote ID. This doesn't have the, you know, the arms that stick up like this one. It basically has solid sides on it, so you can just slide or Velcro or remote ID inside there if you wanted to. And the rest of these are just battery skids. Basically, I have one for the 21700 LiPo pack, not lithium ion pack. So basically they're just made there so if you land and the battery hits, it protects the battery somewhat. So I just use those. So I have one for a 1500 milliamp battery pack. I have one for a lithium ion pack skid, and then I have a couple more for this is a 2200 milliamp hour, and then what's the last one for 1100 milliamp hour battery. So on the web page I do have a link for how to print the foot to have solid and hollow sections in it. So take a look at that. So yeah, message me if you have any questions, and I will answer as soon as possible. Thanks a lot.